Hello everyone and welcome to the Viral Stocks Weekend Recap. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of viralstocks.io, and today we're going to be discussing BBIG, dkng, fubo, grab, ITP, PLTR, SKLZ, and Wish. But before we get into that, I have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Viral Stocks and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at viralstocks.io/disclaimer. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. What can we say? Not a lot to talk about in this weekend recap. Markets suck right now. It's very, very difficult. Everything's getting hit. Momentum names can't rally. We had an alert on Friday, rallied 15%. As a day trade, we'll take it. I mean, have to take what we can in these markets. A win is better than no win, and you just got to be hitting a lot of singles. But today what I want to talk about is some names that, these are longer term plays. I'm not a financial advisor, obviously, but stocks that you want to look at that have been really beaten down and that you can take a long-term position here at the 52-week lows. Because the momentum names just can't rally. I mean, case in point is BBIG, closed up 28%. And it should have rallied much more. There's 22% of the float is short. Big news is out. They're going to be distributing their Cryptide division. So every shareholder will get 1 share of Cryptide for every 10 shares of BBIG. Cryptide will trade under the TYDE symbol, and BBIG will continue to trade under BBIG. But it could not get the follow through. I mean, in a normal market, the market of old, we would have saw the spike like it back in September, where it went from 250 to 1250. Here we even had a red candle, so rather disappointing. Let's see what the action brings next week. But right now, there's still a lot of money on the sidelines, but people are afraid to put it to work. But some plays worth getting into. First up is DraftKings. I mean, this is a no-brainer in my opinion here at 52-week lows. Just a $5.7 billion market cap. I mean, they have one of the best brands, one of the best names in all of online gaming. Them and FanDuel are the two market leaders. Made new 52-week lows on Friday. They closed the Golden Nugget GNOG acquisition, which will really help ramp up revenues. California is considering legalizing online legalizing sports betting at some of the Native American casinos. Waiting for more updates there, but if that happens, that's huge. California is the 5th largest economy in the world, huge, most populous state in the U.S. I mean, enormous potential. And DraftKings CEO Jason Robins, he was very excited about that on the call. So there's just a lot to like about DraftKings here at 52-week lows. Next up is FUBO, FUBO. 22% of the float is short. Target price, the ANOs have a $10 target price on it. If you look at the executive chairman is Mr. Edgar Miles Bronfman Jr. I mean, billionaire, Seagram family. So you got big money behind it, and I mean, look at the sales growth. I mean, it's a new business for just 4.3 million sales 2019, 217 million in 2020, and 638 million in sales in 2021. Just incredibly cheap. I mean, it's trading at $3.25, but it's got $1.60 in cash. It's it's just trading at 2 times cash. Incredibly cheap here, big short position. This is one that you want to put on your radar screen, fubo, if it's not already there. Next up is Grab. For those of you that aren't familiar with it, I mean, this is the Uber of Southeast Asia. You know, they're trading at a valuation of, you know, from back in 2017, 2018, when they were a private company. They went public via SPAC, and, you know, like most SPACs have gotten clobbered. But this is another one, great brand name, one that you should have on your radar screen. And you know, it's incredibly cheap. It's trading at 301, but it's got $2 in $2 per share in cash. It's growing. Just a lot to like with Grab, and you know, it's incredibly cheap down here. I can't stress that enough, that how cheap it is down here, and this is another you know, great bottom play that you want to be paying attention to. Next up is ITP. Guys, I've been talking about this one last week. Told you all about it. It's a Mr. Zach Morris pump dump. You know, it is what it is. I told you guys about it. I told you not to fall in love. I said to play the momentum, trade it, not own it. I hope you guys listen to me on ITP. Next up is PLTR, Palantir. This is another one here at 52-week lows. Founded by Peter Thiel. He is the executive chairman. Billionaire Peter Thiel was founded PayPal, well known in conservative circles. He is just, you know, backed Facebook. This guy is one of the smartest guys in Silicon Valley. And, you know, you want to bet with him, not against him. And PLTR is a great play on Peter Thiel. And look at this one. I mean, again, sales just increasing. 600 million, 740 million, 1 billion, 1.54 billion in sales. So you know, with governments looking to you know, for tech solutions, they keep getting contracts. They're deepening relationship with the UK Ministry of Defense. Again, PLTR, big fan base on Wall Street Bets. And if you're not already in, this is one to take a look here at 52-week lows. Next up, guys, is Skills, SKLZ. Incredible, another cheap play down here. Has $1.29 per share in cash. Trading at just $1.96. It's down 92% off the highs. It's an e-gaming play. Another one, rapidly growing sales, 50 million in 2018, 119 million in 2019, 230 million in 2020, and 384 million in sales in 2021. Has just an $850 million market cap. So this is another one, you know, start looking at for long-term play is SKLZ. Lastly, guys, is Wish. A lot of people have gotten taken to the woodshed on this one, but I'm still might see some weakness with the overall market, but we got to be getting near a bottom here. I still see Wish as a takeover play. I think someone's eventually going to come in, buy Wish out. You know, it's down 89% off the highs. This is another one, has $1.46 in cash per share, trading at just $1.61. I mean, it's just getting ridiculously cheap here. Has huge user base, and you know, this is one that if you're not in it, I think this is a great penny long-term play that eventually will get taken out. So start paying attention to Wish. Like I said, just trying to give you guys something different. Not talking here about momentum names. For that, you know, momentum names, you got to go to viralstocks.io or viralstocks.com bit.io/sign up. These are we send out to our subscribers. These are day and swing trade short-term momentum penny stock alerts. We play momentum, day and swing trades, get in, get out, make the money, move on to the next play. So we release all of our profiles at the opening bell. So make sure you sign up with your email and your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And as I said, we release all of our profiles at the opening bell because not everyone can trade pre-market, and we want to treat all of our subscribers equally, that no one gets the jump on other subscribers. So again, make sure, like I said, text messaging is the fastest way to get all of our alerts, and all of them come at the opening bell, 9:30 a.m. Eastern on the dot. With that being said, we're here every day looking for the momentum plays first thing in the morning, looking for catalyst, low float, short squeeze plays with PRs. We do all the work so that you don't have to. Again, we run a free service, so we do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. You can sign up with your email and your mobile number and unsubscribe at any time. All right, guys, I want to wish everyone a great weekend, and make sure you sign up, because if these markets get hot again, we're going to be sending out the alerts, make you guys money. All right, have a wonderful weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.